Hello friends, I am Malav and I welcome you all in my new video. In this video, I am going to tell you about not 5, 10 or 15 but about 100 free courses. Yes, you heard it right, 100 free courses available on Coursera. Not on Udemy but on Coursera. So as usual, I am doing R&D for more free courses available everywhere, and I found this business article and I have just amazed and think I have to make the video right now without any preparation, without any pre-scripted anything. I just started to shoot this video. So uh, in this video, before we begin, I want to give you some general details like what is Coursera and how these free courses work and how you can get these free courses. So Coursera is also a platform for e-learning, and it is a very good and professional platform to get free courses. So it is a very professional platform in comparison to any other platform available on anywhere. So why I am saying so, I will just prove it in my video that why I am saying this, the Coursera is better than anyone. So before wasting any time, I have just start to give you the details of courses available on Coursera. So in Coursera, the courses available on health. In health section, you will get the courses of happiness and fulfillment, or disease clusters, or challenges to global health, etc. You will get courses related to animals, courses of arts and humanities, courses of business, courses of data science, and courses of computer science and cloud and technology. You will also get courses of language learning, math and logic, personal development, physical science and engineering, physics, social sciences, etc. So it's a very good variety of courses available on Coursera right now for free. Now I will give you the details how you can get enrolled for the courses. So So to get enrolled, I have opened randomly one or two links available in the business article to show you how you can get enrolled for the course for free. When you click on the link of the article, you first have to do login on Coursera. After you have done login, you will see the page like this. Now to get a free courses, you have to just click on enroll for free button. When you click on enroll for free button, you will get this pop-up. Now you will shout at me that you have said the courses are available for free and this is showing price. So be patient, wait for a moment and click on the continue. When you click on the continue, it will automatically applied your promotion at the time of checkout. So see, the courses available for free, total amount of price will be given in discount, and you just have to click on the pay now button. And when you click on the pay now button, it will send you the confirmation on your mail id. I have just opened the second link to show you how you can get the details of the courses. So you can get details of the courses in this section. In this section you will get the details of the courses, like this course is 100% online, these are flexible deadlines, it is about approximately 9 hours and available in English. So this course is provided by this university. The first course in which we have get enrolled is provided by University of Toronto. So, and I will prove now that why the Coursera is best platform to see courses. So the courses offered by University of Toronto. Now we see the global ranking of University of Toronto. University of Toronto was ranked 18th globally in 2020. So very professional course giving website, high trained professional giving these courses. And you will see the impact you will create when you show the certificate to anyone that I have done these courses on Coursera given by University of Toronto. In this courses section, you will also get the courses of University of London, Yale University, etc. So it will create a huge value addition, huge impact in the mind of others that you have done a very impactful something in comparison with others. So this is a very good course. And one thing I might have forgot to mention here, that the Coursera will not give you instant certificate when you complete the courses. Coursera will try to test your knowledge. So it will conduct a very small test, and you have to just crack this test. General percentage is 80%. It means that you have to get 80% or more to get the certificate. So be specific about the courses. Do enroll for the courses which you really want to learn. And one thing also is that all the courses are available for free till 31st of May. It is written here. See, here it is written that the course is available for free till 31st of May. Another thing I want to mention that you will get access of one free course at a time. You cannot get more than one course. So be specific that what you want to learn before enrolling for any courses. So that's it for today, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get to know about more such platform and more such free courses. So till then, stay at home, keep learning. Thank you.